Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, April the 3rd, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus. One with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiwa block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah. Otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one. 3 stars Sudoku. Is this really a 3 stars? No. But first, this one will be number 8296. This one, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, has 27 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars Sudoku has 25 printed digits. This one has 2 more, so it should be a 1 star. 1 star puzzle has 27 printed digits, and for 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 15 minutes, and it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 1 star puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Alright, which number can I pick? How about these 4 missing numbers in this row? 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 9. We have 5 and the 9 in this big square, so no 5 and the 9 in these 2 boxes. 5 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Now, how about 4 missing numbers now in this row. 1 of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 9 in the 3rd row could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. Okay. 7 in the 1st column, 7 in the 3rd column, so the column between the 3rd column, the only place level 7 should be there. 7 in the 1st row, 7 in the 2nd row, so the 3rd row, only place level 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the 3rd row, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, oh no, we already have a 2 here. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next down, the place level 8 should be there. 6, 6. Then, let me think. How about 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so the last column, the only place level 6 should be there. Need a 4 here, need a 1 here. Let me think. Need an 8 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 3 here. Need a... Come on. Need a 5. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in the 1st row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in the 3rd column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left on 5 in this big square should be there. Need a 2 here, need a 2 there, and I need a 9. Yeah, 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 3 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 in that column, no 9 there. So the only place left on the 9 should be there. 2, 2. Alright. 8, 8. Need an 8 here. Need 8 there. Okay. How about 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next now only place level 5 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places level 9 should be here. Or there we have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places level 9 should be here. Or there we have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 9. Alright. Then 7. Need a 7 here. Need a 1. Need a 2 here. Okay. Let me think. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. Okay. 1, 2. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Alright. Okay. 2, 2. Need a 2 here. 2, 2. Need a 2 here. 2, 2. Well. 2, 2. 2, 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1, 1. And I need a... Well, I need a 5 here. Need a 1 here. Alright. A 3 and a 4. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here. Or there we have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. Okay. Need a 2 here. In this column, we need a 2. Well, we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, only place level 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places level 2 should be here. Or there, we have a 2 in this last row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7. 1 and 7. Alright. So these 3 missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. Well, we have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 3 could be everywhere. The other 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. 1 is missing. Oh, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Well, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. So the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. And 1 number left in this column. 4 number, 4, 5, 6 is missing here. Okay. So we need a 6 here. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Here also 3 and 4 are missing here. Here also 3 and 4 are missing here. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? 4 numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We have 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 3 goes there. So we need a 3 here. Okay. We have a pair. The 3 and a 1 in this column. The 3 in one of those two boxes and a 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places left for the 3 and a 1 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. So two numbers left in the last column. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. And the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. Let me mark those. That means one digit left in this big square. I believe the 8. Yep, 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the only place left for the 8 should be there. Two numbers left now in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left, and 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 174. 3 missing numbers here. 1, 7, and a 4 are missing. 4, 7, 1, 7, yeah, 1, 7, 4. And look, we have 1 and 7 in this column, so no 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair, so one digit left should be the 4. 4 and 7, we have a 4 now in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 and 7, we have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing. Well, we have 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 in the second column, no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. So the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here, so 7 and a 3. I've marked this box with 7 and a 3. We have a 7 now. So this box should be a 3. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the only place left is 7 should be here. Here can be 7. We have 7 in this column. Yeah. So one digit left in this column for number 2. Alright. One box left in this row for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 6 and 8. We have 8 in the first column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So two numbers left here, the 3 and the 4. Oh, I cannot fill this yet. 3 and the 4, okay. How about here? 3, 4, and a 6. 3, 4, and a 6, no. 3, 1, and the 3, 1, and the 4. 3, 1, and the 4. Well, 3 missing numbers in this row. We have here 1, 3, and a 4 are missing in this row. And look, we have 1 and 4 in this column. So no 1 and 4 in this box. 1 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left should be the 3. 1 and a 4. Well, we have a 3 and a 1 here. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. And look, we have 2 and a 6 in the first column, so no 2 and a 6 in this box. 2 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And the final two numbers, 3 and a 6, we have a 3 in this column, second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. And the final two numbers, the 3 and a 4, we have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, definitely a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles, the 4-star Sudoku, the binary, and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.